Carefully remove all the spaghetti wires in the motherboard. Make sure to remove all the spaghetti wires. Unlock the RAM and carefully remove it upwards. Just simply remove the SATA cable. Unscrew the heatsink from the processor and simply remove the fan. Find the screw or panel lock to unlock your GPU from the case, then pull on the graphics card until it comes out. Remove the latch holding the processor and simply lift the processor straight out of the socket. Carefully put the processor and lock the latch holding it. Put a small amount of thermal paste. Carefully spread the thermal paste around the processor. Gently insert the graphics card into your motherboard's topmost PCI Express 16 slot. Carefully connect the SATA cable to the hard disk. Place the heatsink fan combo on the top of the CPU and push down on each of the 4 locking pins in an X formation. Gently insert the RAM and it will automatically lock. Plug in the power supply. Correctly connect the spaghetti wires in the motherboard. Insert all the needed spaghetti wires and cables in the motherboard.